Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on weekly crypto review this time. Like we always say, it's Monday again. We'll start with weekly chart, Bitcoin. Nice time to be alive in crypto, that's for sure. But first, morning Darren, morning Bukur, and everyone. Hey Sebastian. So, we'll take the requests at the end. Please, someone in the chat, tell me if we have audio, if we have video, if everything is okay. If you don't have a good audio, or if something happens, I'm at a new location this time, so I don't know the capacity of the internet. Hopefully everything will be okay, but this week we'll work with a different I have a different setup here. Not the best, but doable. That's what I have. It's what I'll use. Okay. Okay, thank you, Ivan. Let's start with Bitcoin on CME on weekly chart. People, I'm bullish. Sometimes more bullish than a lot of moon boys. But I'll be honest, I don't like this candle. I'm not saying that candle must represent something, but look at it. We don't want this candle to transform on a 3-bar fractal top. We'll know next Monday if this was, or until next Monday, if this is a 3-bar fractal top on weekly or not, but could be something ugly. Hopefully, we'll take this high and then everything is back to normal. I'll watch this high and this low. If we'll accept below this one and close this candle, this week candle below this one, then we can have a weekly 3-bar fractal, which doesn't sound too attractive. What I see on the sentiment, I think we can push sideways for the moment. We had buy the rumor, sell the news. This is the sell the news in this candle. We can go sideways for a bit. I still think this cycle will have, I don't know, I'm expecting the top a bit later in this cycle, not here. Maybe November, maybe December, maybe end of 2025. So I'm thinking sideways, some retests, and then pushing higher. Will this 3-bar fractal trigger a retest at 100 or below, even below 100? I don't think we'll go below 100, but it's possible to confirm this 3-bar fractal and retest this pump chaser zone. Because if we look left, we see the support here. If we put the volume profile, you can see here is the POC. Let's put it a little bit, just this move up. Can see where the POC is? Just at 100. And then if we'll accept below, then we have to worry about some things. But not the case for the moment. Let's not think about that. Let's keep it on the positive side, hoping for the best like all the moon boys, no? Okay, so looks nice on weekly from the structure perspective. You can see pushing higher. We just formed a new high. We are in the price discovery. As I usually tell people, we don't want to short or to think short in price discovery. As long as it's holding and is not forming YAMs and 3-bar fractals on weekly or YAMs in general, we should think long. And if we thought long here, we did well. Okay, so that's CME. Let's take a look at classical chart. Okay, so A, B, C, D still pointing out in 135, 136. Both of them, the big one and this small one, AB equals CD. So that's my target. Some people say 150, some people say 190, some people say 200. Maybe more, I don't know. I still have PTSD from the last bull cycle. Everyone was saying 100K, yeah, and we stopped at 69, and we did what we did. So when I hear people putting some big targets, well, we'll go to 250, it scares me a little bit. Maybe it's just my PTSD, and yeah, indeed, a lot of institutions, countries even are trying to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we know that is limited, but also we should look at the price. So I'll take it level by level. If Bitcoin will reach 135 here for me, okay, then we can reassess. I'll look at that moment and I'll say, well, I still see potential. Indicators here, I don't see bearishness. You can see we made a new high on OBV. We made a new high here on RSI, which is good. RSI pointing down here. I don't think this is bearish. Price is at 125 and RSI is not even overbought on weekly chart. Some people say, well, it's divergence. Yeah, maybe. But that also gives me a lot of room. Imagine what price must do to push RSI in the overbought area. So I'm not thinking top for the moment. And by the way, on weekly chart here, okay, we are on weekly. We can take this all-time high today or tomorrow, and that will invalidate that 3-bar fractal possibility. Even a tick above on that, we'll say, well, it was just a pause because we had sell the news here. It was just a pause in a steep uptrend. Hopefully. Morning, Alex. Morning, Lee. Morning, Menace. Morning, everyone. We'll take the requests at the end if we'll have requests, because we already, most of our followers know what to do in the market. And the only problem some of them have, it's patience, and I don't have patience in my pocket. That's the problem. Okay, so we talked about Bitcoin on a weekly chart. Let's take a look at other charts. There you go. That's a chart I like to see. Look at that dump. People, this dump probably needs a retest. This candle. But look at it. Was a nice one. We waited patiently here on weekly, on daily, actually on daily. Yeah. And we made nice money in this dump. I don't think anyone in crypto traders arena that respects a risk management, that knows how to trade at least a little bit, didn't make money last 2 weeks. I had people saying, I feel like crying. I double my account. I triple my account. Was a small one, but for me it's a lot of money. DMs, people saying, well, I made too much money. What I should do with them? That question I'll answer now, because I remember you move the money from hot wallet to a bit medium wallet, and then to a cold wallet. So you take the money, if it's too much, you take the money from leverage and you put it on spot. Okay? On swing trading, or just keep it on spot. You don't have liquidation price on spot. And then you put it on investment on even USDT at the end of the cycle. So if it's too much money in your leverage account, you take it and you put it somewhere a bit safer. It's what I do. People know that I'm making profit in leverage and trading, and I'm moving the money in investment plans. It's still dangerous because I'm investing in shitcoins. Yeah, it's true, but it's not like using leverage. So if it's too much, I'll move it there. For me, to be honest, now, after so much time, I consider leverage is not dangerous. Why? I have my rules, and it's impossible to break my rules, or almost impossible. I know to risk 0.5% on my trade. I know to don't ever go above 2% or 3% overall or total risk. But until you are at this level or that level, just move your money in a slightly safer wallet or a safer plan. Okay. Hey Zeke, nice to see you, man. Stay with us and you'll see if you like it. So that's Bitcoin dominance. A lot of people are asking me why I'm not using USDT dominance. Because USDT can be printed, that's why. I'm not saying it's not a useful tool. I just don't like to use it. So if you are using it and it's useful for you, please keep doing it. I use Bitcoin dominance because for me looks, at least I'm more confident using this one. So dominance pointing down, support resistance 60%. We can stall here for a moment, go sideways, maybe bounce, maybe push lower. I want to see the reaction at this support level. Imagine we made the nice money breaking down from 65 to 60%, 61. Imagine that will go to this support and resistance level, to 50. A lot more money to be made if will be the case. Don't let your PTSD keep you out and not allowing you to make money. If you are already a trader, learn to trail. These market conditions will, if you know how to trail, you'll make a lot more money. You'll maximize the profit. And I'll show you at the end of the live stream what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's dominance. Let's go back on weekly. Let's see Ethereum, for example. There you go. AB equals CD. Yeah? Who remembers this? We talked about on daily. AB, CD. This is the target, 3,600. Now we're 100 and something above. And we are attacking $4,000. We'll fight here? Probably. Who knows? We'll see. Is this the overall target for Ethereum? No. Like I said, when Ethereum was 2,000, not now. Now it's easy to say that. When I was dollar cost averaging below $2,000, I said I see the target at normal, easy target for Ethereum could be $10,000 in the right conditions. Maybe we'll reach that, maybe not, I don't know. But you can see, we are at 4, a double and something. Yeah. Idea is not to buy it at 5 to sell it at 10. Okay. Idea was to buy it at 2 and sell it at 10. Make a 5x. And when was there, or when was at 2,500, I said for the investors that missed the opportunity to invest in Bitcoin, they could invest in Ethereum. Not to trade, to invest. And I still think that Ethereum will recover. And if you miss the bus, the best opportunity was Ethereum. Now, at 3,700, close to 4,000, I don't know if you'll make a double. Maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know. I told everyone to buy with me or to dollar cost average with me below $2,000. And we had a couple of weeks here. Huh? We bought, my average was 1,800. I sold half on a double here, keeping the rest. But I'm keeping the rest for a longer run. I don't know. Let's say that Ethereum will outperform at some point in time. It's on spot. It's Ethereum. I feel confident to hold it. If I'll see something bad happening, I could hedge. Don't worry about it. We can hedge on Bitcoin. We can hedge even on Ethereum if we'll see a top. I don't see a top yet. I don't see even a... I need to see Ethereum above all-time high to even think about a top. So until $5,000, no. Not even thinking about hedging about anything else. Here at 5, maybe if I'll see a fake out, maybe I'll try something. But until then, no. Okay, that's Ethereum. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Another nice one. Yeah, we have, why I put the weekly, we have the weekly W, people. Okay, we have the weekly W. We blabbed away about weekly W for so fucking long time. Now we have it in the same location like we assumed. In the same location like last time. This time we had a weekly W. And this candle from last night, the close from last night, confirms this weekly W. No doubt about it. We'll have a retest of this neckline. It's possible. This candle looks like it. Not 100% sure that will dump back down, but so now that we have the weekly W, everyone thinks about bullish. We outperform a little bit because we are in crypto traders arena. We are traders. We are making money. We are here day in, day out. So A, B, C, D. We took this one. So at least I posted to take this one because I'm not trading Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I could, but I don't want to do it. We call the bottom, the actual bottom on daily chart here with this inverse head and shoulder. Doesn't get better than that, people. Doesn't get better than that. About calling setups, about posting it before the entry or at the entry. Yeah, okay, it's daily. We need a lot of patience with this head and shoulder. We had need a lot of patience with this AB equals CD or bot setup even. But look at the results. If you are a position trader or a swing trader, okay, that's your thing. That's gold for you. And we discuss these kind of moves here in the live stream for public, for everyone, without any strings, without anything else. Okay, so that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. What we should look next? I think the most interesting one should be now. Let's go back on weekly. The most interesting one should be total market cap. There you go. Nobody could say that this is not a new high now. We closed weekly above the old all-time high. That's weekly structure, people. Okay? Weekly structure. We did a new high. We closed the candle above the old week high. That means new high. That means AB equals CD. That could mean a lot higher than this AB equals CD target. Okay? We talked about this kind of stuff when the market was not so bullish. Now it's obvious. Soon enough, you'll see all the influencers talking about the new bull market and how total market cap did the all-time high and how smart they are. And they'll ask you if you bought the deep and on, you know the drill. But when the market was in the trenches here, nobody said anything. With small exceptions. Yeah, I saw some people saying, well, buy the dip, don't wait. This time is different. Actually, Menace, every time is different. But every time is also similar. It's not totally the same, but it's similar. I don't know what people expect. How to be different when the same player are playing the same game? How to be different? So the same people, or almost the same people, with same mentality, with same emotions, are playing the same game, and you want different results. If you are doing the same things and you're expecting different results, I'll let you complete that on the chat. So I don't get it why people are thinking this time is different. How to be different when the players are the same, the game is the same. A lot of people are just expecting something that it's not impossible, but it's hard to change. You don't change human behavior so easily. But I like that influencers will call it, this time is different. Well, look at this. Well, they make a lot of views. Some beginners will trust them and will lose their money. And then they'll come here and they'll take Capua 1 after they'll lose 10, 20, 40K. Yeah, they'll take Capua 1 and I have to deal with them. Break all the bad habits that they have, which is fucking hard to do, and teach them again how to trade. Because they have bad habits, and it's better to have a guy that doesn't know to trade, but doesn't have bad habits, than to deal with a guy that has a lot of bad habits, because you have to break them first, and after that you can show him the new way. By the way, people, 20 places in Kappa 1, only 5 or 4 left. And I think I have more than 20 people DMing me about Kappa 1. So I don't have a better solution than when you do the payment, you'll book the place. I don't want to keep tables and notes and this one reserve the place. No, you reserve the place when you do the payment, and that's the best way, the honest way. Okay, so total market cap looks strong, looks bullish. Total 3 will recover, seems like, but look at it. Come on, we said that we want above 1.1, but we accepted and we closed above 1 trillion. That's something. We don't have new highs here. We have equal highs, or kind of equal highs, and now the market is pushing higher. This entire thing, ugly thing you see here, this is a cap and handle. Imagine the target if you take this low and this one, and we can see 2 trillion really easy. Okay? I don't even bet on correction. Correction then is for me, I don't even want to know about them. When I'll see a correction, for me is buy the dip environment. I'm not selling because I'm waiting a correction. I'm not even hedging waiting for correction. When correction will happen, I'll buy the dip. I don't know if it will be a deep one, if it will be a small one. I don't fucking care. I know we'll probably, at some point in time, we'll have a violent retracement. Some news, doesn't matter what. A 20-30% dip in 1 day, or 2 days, or 1 week. But that's a buy, the best buying opportunity. I'm not even thinking about doing anything on the short side. And people here know that I said, don't short altcoins, don't short Ethereum, don't short anything. Just from time to time, when we see opportunity, we can try to hedge on Bitcoin. And now, after this pump, you understand why I said that. And I don't want to bring back the bad examples, what people did and what people lost. Let's keep it positive. So, don't let your PTSD keep you out from altcoins. That's the message on Total 3. Okay? After we'll accept above this green level, it's price discovery, it's something else, and then you'll see the real bull market. Because people, what we had here on altcoins, from a higher perspective, is nothing. It is just a weekly W forming, and we made money because we knew how to zoom in and how to catch the bottom. But actually, on higher time frame, is just a scratch. Nothing important. If you will hold your spot altcoins, you can see 100% pump in 1 day, 200, 300, even more. That will be crazy mode. Now it's easy mode for us. I don't know if it's easy mode for the rest of the people. Maybe not. But for us, that we are here day in and day out, it's easy mode. Easy to make money. Even in the weekend. If you select the right altcoin, you can make nice money. But could get even easier than that. Crazy mode, where everything you touch pumps 100%. Will last that kind of environment? No. Fortunately, 1 or 2 months. Maybe, if you are lucky. We'll see. So, if we'll accept above this side, then we can pump even higher. And we'll probably do a lot higher. Now let's go a little bit and talk about ES, gold and silver, and then we'll go to watch some altcoins, and then we'll go on lower time frame. So ES weekly, you remember this chart? I hope you do. You learned this lesson, this and this lesson. This was live lesson about ES, about 20% retracement with Paul J. Everyone was bearish. Everyone was saying 3,000, 2,000. We will die. And I said 20% retracement, normal uptrend channel. Look how well respected it is. And indeed, look at it. New highs, price discovery. I'll say it again, people. You don't want to fucking shorten price discovery. You want to stay with the trend. Hunt only long setups. Yeah, if you are a swing trader, even if you are a day trader, you don't really want to short too much. Yeah, I saw that, Rob. I saw it. We'll talk about it. So that's yes. Gold. Unfortunately, people, it's a symmetrical triangle. Could gold push higher? Yes. 3,500. Even a week, keep in mind, a week to 4,000. Something bullish. Shooting star then and then coming back, and that was the top. We had something here, but not the best one. We can do another one. But overall, people, price action on daily, weekly, it's a range. We had a nice move, and now we are going sideways. I could go on daily, and you can see, similar. We are playing fib pong here. Nice one. Silver. Well, silver will probably outperform gold from now on. It's about the fucking time. And I don't want to set a target on silver. Silver was $45-50 last time. That's the first target here. I could see silver at 100. Yes. I could see it even higher. Who the fuck knows? But I could see silver at $50 and even higher. People that have enough experience in the market, or enough they are long enough in the market, they know about the silver last time, what the silver did. I don't even see it here. Anyway, get a longer time, a better chart on silver on weekly, and try to see what silver did last time. I should trade silver here? No, silver it's ugly, silver it's hard to trade. I don't recommend to do it. Just watch it for confluence. Yeah, another thing you can do, gold against silver, and you'll see something nice. Anyway, that's a different story. Now, let's go on some shitcoins. Let's read the chat a little bit. Well, requests at the end, CPMS. Okay, so altcoins, not too many things we can say about. I will hide the drawings. I have a perspective here. I want to see without drawings. Okay, look at this is alt. What do you think? It's buyable here? Honest opinion, people. You think it's buyable to buy the weekly W's here? I'm on weekly. Comp. You think it's buyable? This chart here? Look at it. People, I'll say it again because I said it 100 times already. I'll say it once again. Not a big deal for me. It's buyable. You are at the bottom of altcoins. Yeah? Look at comp, didn't even think about pumping. And if you pump only to test this level, you'll have more than a double. Look at this one, doesn't even have the weekly W, just retested this week. Something happened here, and they needed to retest that level. Weekly W in SSV, look at it. Power of 3 even. Look, you want to buy a weekly W? I think you want. So, even if we made a lot of money on 4-hour chart, daily, weekly is still buyable. If you are an investor and you come now and you buy some shitcoins and you hold, you can make a lot of money. My 2 cents. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't quote me on that. You assume responsibility for everything you do. In crypto traders arena, we don't give financial advice. None of us. So, e-gold here, similar. Can you say that, well, maybe gold is making a weekly W? And I don't know. I don't need to reach $500 like last time. I need a short reload zone here, 300. If you bought with me at $12, you'll be happy. Even 18, even 20 is not bad. Even 50 is not bad, but not the same risk reward anyway. And I could go on and on. Look at high. Similar. People, zoom out first. When you are looking at shitcoins, I don't want to see you looking at starting with 1 hour, 4 hours. Start with weekly chart. See the overall picture. Okay? And I could go more and more and more. And you can see the same thing over and over again. W's, weekly W's, or attempts to make weekly W's. Look at Ape, for example. I don't know. Will recover or not my business. But look at it. You think it's doable? Weekly W. If you zoom in, I'll see we pumped. Yeah, okay, we pumped, but who stopped you to buy this W? Well, it pumped. Okay, you had a retest. Now you are forced to buy the big one. You'll say, well, it's too high. Okay, maybe you don't want to buy it here. But who says that will trade again here until the next bear market? Could pump and pump and pump, and then you'll come and buy it at 70 cents. And you'll ask me at 70 cents where to buy it, Paul. And then I don't know what I'll answer. I know what I'll answer, but I'll not be nice. I'll send you back in time to watch this live stream. Anyway, I could go on the entire list, people, with small exceptions. Even this shit is pumping now. No weekly W, but a bearish retest on this one could give you a nice reward. So I think at some point in time we'll retest $6 if we are lucky. Okay, so you can see the M, the initial M, short reload zone is there. Draw the drawings if you want. I don't want to activate the drawings, but this is the short reload zone at $6. And if you buy here, you manage to get a spot position and you sell at $6, you can make a lot of money. CPM bull, what you did here is not allowed. Okay, is not allowed. So no more messages for you this live stream. And if you do it again next time, you're out. You'll not be able to. Don't spam the chat. We don't need to do that. You put your question there. When we'll do the requests, you can put it again, but don't spam the chat because we don't allow something like that. Either you are behaving nicely or you don't. Or you don't join. Or you are not with us. Sorry. Okay. So I could go on the entire list. Similar stuff. TIA. Not a weekly W, but what TIA does here. Like we discussed, TIA is above $2 again. That could be the best power of 3 you ever saw. And even some people bought TIA at the bottom. I know someone. Anyone in the chat know someone that bought TIA at 1.5? I know someone that knows someone that bought TIA at 1.5. Anyway, I could go on the entire list, people. I don't think it's the case. People, I said at the end, I'll take the request. Well, hopefully you get the message. We have for free, we have Road to Financial Freedom. You just join Discord, you go there, you see the spreadsheet, you make a copy, and you put your own plan there, and you can have a complete spreadsheet for your plan. Invest in any shitcoin you want that is on CoinMarketCap. Okay? We get the daily quotes from CoinMarketCap, and you have the price in the real time, and you can make a nice plan. If you are premium, we have the last chance challenge. Again, another plan you can adopt. You can make your own plan if you want. Idea is altcoins on higher time frame. As an investor, people, as investor, it's still viable. I saw some people that they took a vacation for the last 3 fucking years, and they are back now, smelling the blood, smelling the opportunity. I know them, they prefer only easy mode. When they see the easy mode, they're coming here. I should have some here. Hopefully will come back. Okay. There you go. I didn't have the... I'll hide the Holy Grail. Sorry people, my internet is a bit sloppy here from time to time. Let's ignore the setups. Let's ignore the trades and just see this high and this low. This was the Monday high and this was the Monday low. Let's just see a perspective. How well respected it was. Can you tell me? It's useful to use the Monday high, Monday low, and Monday range in general. I think it is. You have some guidance on the entire week. Above, below, and you can see today at this moment we are accepting above the last week Monday low. We can push here in the short reload zone. We can push even higher, who knows. On the trading part, people, look at it. Was on lower time frame, of course, but we took this one, made nice money. We took this one, made nice money. You don't get better than that. You don't get better than that. And I posted this trade and I posted this trade. If you know how to play, yeah, okay, it's an uptrend, but this is a range. If you know how to play it, you'll make some money. Yeah. Stefan says we are low from the week low. Yeah, from this one we are long. From this one, this was an SFU. I wasn't... I didn't have the order here, Stefan, but I hope Stefan posted for VIP. I didn't have time to watch to see if they did. But that's how you make money. What is now for Bitcoin? It's Monday, people. We'll wait for a new Monday high, Monday low. Tomorrow morning we'll know more. Until then, we use the old ones. Yeah, we consider this one valid for until tomorrow morning. So we can play with this one. Short reload zone here, maybe an SFU. Don't chase the market here. This is another SFU on lower time frame. You can see SFU in this one. Before the London session start. Not a good sign. You know the drill. Okay, let's go on Ethereum. Ethereum was in the price discovery on a lower time frame. Not price discovery, but you get my message. A stupid trader told you something. Yeah, the last call I did on 1 hour Holy Grail was here. And some people said, well, Paul, it's 3K, but that's the... Now we wait until the live stream will come back live. There you go, we are back online. Sorry people, internet problems, like I said. I'm kind of a vacation, let's call it, for this week. So I'll deal with what I have here. Nothing I can do. When the internet is breaking down, I'll wait until we'll come back all back online. It's all I can do. So Holy Grail here did a really nice job. Huh? All you need is Holy Grail on 1 hour if you have a trend and you'll make some money. If you are sharp enough, you can take 5-minute chart like Bochan, like a lot of VIP people. Some of them made... Bochan said, I doubled my account in the last 2 weeks. Well, tell me other people that they can do that in a safe mode. Yeah, because Bochan is respecting the risk management. Sorry, Stefan. The problem is I have a bad internet. Sometimes it's breaking down. The speed it's okay, but some breakdowns. 1 second is enough to break the live stream from YouTube. Okay, so Ethereum, double top here. I don't want to buy anything today. We had a nice weekend, you know. After a pump in the weekend, what comes Monday? Someone could tell me? What usually comes Monday, maybe this time is different, I don't know, but I'm expecting, I'm working with probabilities. I'll stay the fuck out and I'll wait for a dip. Okay, I'll wait to the dip. If dip will not come, okay, I'll wait until Tuesday, yeah, to get the Monday high, Monday low, and then I'll trade. So today, no, I don't want to chase anything. Maybe here and there, if I'll see a holy grail on 5-minute chart, even 1-minute chart for me, I could do something. If not, I'll just sit on the sidelines and wait. Okay, now let's talk about something nice. 4-hour chart, Solana. Okay, that's something. Do we have Solana, Stefan? I said that is not for trading, is for investing, and is like a stable coin. Well, it's making a weekly W here, a daily W. And could pump, yes. I recommend traders to chase Solana here. No, it's close to $200. That will behave like a support and resistance level. We can fuck around again at that level. But we bought the dips, we bought this W, we bought this retest. We dollar cost average some of us on Solana when was below 150. I think we are in a good position. Yeah. So if you have Solana, hold it. Trade, I don't usually recommend trading Solana. But if you have it, hold it because it could pump really nicely. The overall target for Solana, everyone is asking. Target for Solana. Well, I don't know. $1,000 sounds like a big, fat, round number. I'll wait until 1,000. No, I'll sell at 950. Just because I don't want to. That's an easy target. We'll go to the next one. Well, okay, we'll see. Tao. People, we made 10R on Tao. We made really nice money last week. I posted it for everyone in the live stream. We took the trade. We made 10R. Now we are resting a little bit. How long could take? Well, look here. How long it took. So I'm not eager to take a new position. I'm waiting. I'm in a short reload zone. I don't want to short because it's too bullish, but I don't want to buy because in a short reload zone. So I'm stuck there. I made nice money. That's it. Tia made money from the bottom. We said something about 1.5. You want to trade this as a support and resistance? Be my guest. It's doable. It's doable. But Monday, no. If Tuesday, tomorrow will look the same, I could say that this is a support now and I could play the trend. I could go on Holy Grail and start doing something. You can see even on 4-hour chart you have the Holy Grail active, but you don't have an entry. If you get an entry on 4-hour chart with Holy Grail, take it. Okay. Hopefully we still have all we need here to live stream. Anna, this was the trade we did in the weekend. I did in the weekend. And look at me. I could brag a little bit about this one. I took it here. I made 15R here. I closed most of it at 10R. I'll be honest. I closed most of it at 10R and trailed the rest. But damn, was a nice trade. And then because I kind of feel guilty about it in the weekend, I didn't post. I took the trade and I didn't post for the community. I took this one. I said about this one. I said it's lazy, okay. Take it on 50-minute chart. I want it to be safe for all the people, but look at it. Did nice. Nothing bad about this one. You took it here, this small W, risk all the way down. Target is 5R. You can outperform if will be the case. You can trail as long as possible. You can take the next signal if you want. Monday, I don't expect continuation of a trend, people. That's the problem. Don't brag. Why, Stefan? From time to time, a little bit. So, let's look left on SSV on 50-minute chart. You think Holy Grail has any value here? Could this one outperform? Underperformed the ENA, yes, in the weekend. Could outperform this week, I think. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, when we have a trade on that one, Dennis, on OM, we have a trade, we have a W, and I posted it. So let's hide the Holy Grail for the moment and talk about the rest of shitcoins on 4-hour chart. I said, I think that's the best. People, this week, if you want to hear my ugly voice, you have to stand with me with the setup I have here. Nothing I can do about it. Okay, hype. It's trying to accept back above that 45. This could be an AB equals CD, an aggressive one. If you take this low, yeah, was an AB equals CD, but we're already too late. Let's wait until tomorrow. We'll reassess this one tomorrow. Looks interesting. Hype looks interesting here. But let's wait until tomorrow. Portal. We have a trade. We talked about it. It's still at entry. Do whatever you want. Alt. It's pushing higher here, but no setup for me. Why? The W's are above the long reload zone. We are below 66, so we cannot call it a bot or a AB equals CD. We need a general setup, and W's are there, but they're above my area. So no, not for the moment. I'll wait. Ton. We talked about it, and I said $3 is a support now. 10% higher already. Up to you. Well, Dennis, there are some people that they made a lot of money on general chat because we put a lot of trades. And if you are paying attention and you're following it, you can take a lot of trades from us. And you can make some money. And then you say, well, I want more. And you go on premium. And then you make more money. And then you say, well, I want to learn more. And you take Capo 1. And in Capo 1, I'll teach you other things. And you'll say, well, fuck it. I made some nice money with these guys. From the profit I made, let's go and buy Capo 2 and stay on VIP and be with them day in, day out. We have people here that they did that. It's up to you. We try to help. We post in general chat, which is not normal to post setups in general chat and give setups to the people. We do that. But the rest is up to the people. There are people that they could take the advantage. There are people that they are not able to take. They all select themselves. And if you are one of them that you'll become better and better and you'll want more and you want to become one of us, well, we'll accept you if you behave nicely and you're good at it. We don't have a problem with that. For some people, it's enough to just take some trades from general chat, make some money from time to time, and it's enough. I don't have a problem with that either. XRP. Pushing higher. This looks bullish here, but it's Monday, people. Yeah? This looks painted. Could push higher. Okay, who wants to buy Ripple at 3.5 and put a stop loss at 3.3? Do it, but it's risky. I'll do it myself. No. Sorry, people. No. We took that high. We took it as a support. Okay, yeah, I get it. But I'll take it here. No, sorry. Tomorrow, if it look the same, maybe. Doge. Well, Doge made fun of me, made fun of Bochan. All of us with Holy Grail, with anything we try to buy. Usually I don't trade Doge. I have a bag and I hold the bag. Will be the greatest thing ever? I don't know. Even if Elon Musk will start talking about there are too many coins now. Yeah, I could go to $1, yes, but that's a 4x from here. As a trader, if I see a cheeky W, a really nice risk to reward in a setup, I'll take it. If not, no. So that's my plan. To wait for the Monday high, Monday low. Tomorrow I'll reassess. Hopefully I'll be able to live stream in the daily crypto plan. If I'll not be able to live stream, I'll probably make I don't know, a resume, or I'll make a short video and I'll upload. I'll manage it somehow. Now, let's look at the chat. Maybe we have some requests. I don't see the requests anymore. So let's take some of them. AR check. Oh, okay, let's take the AR. We had the AR setup. We posted it. We took it. We made money with it. We are still in it. If I remember correctly. AR. There you go. What to overview about it? Make it risk-free. Trail the rest as a boss. This was a trade posted, people. This was a trade. 1 second. This was a trade posted for everyone. Discuss it for everyone. In the general chat. What do you want more? Look at it. Update. What I should update? This is a daily, weekly W. You can see this big one. Make it risk-free. Take some profit off. Trail the rest. Simple. What we have? 3R here, I think. Target is, okay, it's a lot higher. Target is a lot higher. But now you are sitting at 3.5R. That by itself, it's a really nice fucking trade. Chasing here, man, I don't think is the case. But if you are in the trade, if you are, I don't know, you have a strong PTSD, take some profit off, move your stop to scratch and trade the rest. If you don't have PTSD, move your stop to scratch and just ignore it and let it run. Okay? And we posted more trades like this. For example, we have comp. It's above entry. This one is making a W here and we have a trade. Can you see it? Look at it. SSV, we are deep in profit. ENA setup. Remember ENA? Well, look at it. Come on, people. A lot of it. AR is still moving. Yes. Say on weekly. People say it's not something I could trade. That's the problem with say. I said it multiple times. Okay. You had the opportunity to buy this weekly W couple of weeks ago. Yeah. We discussed that. Now it's too high for my taste. Wait for a retrace here. I'm not chasing. If you have a position, hold it because this looks bullish. It's front running. It's 5 steps or 1 or 2 steps in front of the rest of the shit coins. But you don't want to chase. At least I don't want to chase. You do whatever you want. It's your money. But I'm not buying here. We had this opportunity here at 27 cents and lower. I made this chart a long time ago. Blue area means buying opportunity. Daily W was here. A retest of the daily W. Then weekly W. Then confirmation. Then retracement. Retest. Okay, that was the last opportunity to buy it. Here? No, I'm not chasing that one. We'll go straight up. Okay, so be it. I'll be satisfied with the spot bag I have and it's enough. I don't want to chase. It's a bad habit and I don't want to implement bad habits in my trading and my investing. I want to remove all of them if it's possible. Okay. Bear mix. Okay, let's put a B mix. There you go. No weekly W yet. Okay, let's remove the drawings here. We had an AB equals CD. Okay, that's done. No weekly W. So if we retrace and we'll form the weekly W, then yes. So on weekly, nothing I can do here. I'll put daily. Maybe on daily I have different perspective. No, I don't. This is a range, people. And you are at the range highs. Okay. Power of 3 was here. It's done. I don't want to chase this one here. Could pump? Yeah, could pump. Will pump without me? So be it. But I'm not chasing something like that. I don't like what I see. I'm at the range high and I don't want to anticipate breakouts. Even if in this strong environment. There are other fish to fry in this market. Okay, I'll take 2 more Ethereum, Fi and Bera. And then starting with weekly, this is forming a weekly W. The buying opportunity was this weekly W at the bottom in April. If you have it, hold it. If you don't have it, I don't know, to chase it here. It's still investable, but the risk reward, the best one was at 50 cents, man. maybe you'll get another opportunity. I don't know. If you have it, hold it. Daily chart. We had an AB equals CD here. AB, CD. Yes, you are too late at the party. I don't want to touch this one here. This was the area. This W. Classic AB equals CD thinking. Classic, but is in profit. Is not something I'll buy at the moment. Okay, and the last one is at Bera. Bera, I don't know if it found a bottom yet. We'll find out here. Bera, daily chart. This was a daily W. This was the opportunity. No weekly W, but we'll form a weekly W and then we can do something with it. Sorry, one day, I'll go back on daily. This had a really nice W breakout. You can see the breakout, the retest. Yeah, mark it down, put it in your journals and remember this pattern. W, breakout and retest. You want to take the retest. That's the safest area where you want to buy it. Here, you can see we are in profit. If we look left, we have some resistance here. I don't want to touch it here. I know, sounds nice, but I hate Litecoin. No, I don't hate Litecoin. I hate what Litecoin did to people in the last cycle. I don't hate Litecoin, Menace. Why I should hate her? I'm not married with or I don't have any emotional relation with coins, man. The only coin I hate, but I don't hate the coin. I hate the people promoting the coin is Fartcoin. Okay, but I don't hate the coin. I hate the people framing that one. An influencer talking about it. I have coins that they made 2-3x and they are still talking about Fartcoin. Stupid, but it's not. I don't have anything with coins. Okay, so Bera here, it's a bit too late. We have resistance. Wait for a retracement. What you can do a classic one. I don't know your experience. Let's do a classic one. And let's put a long reload zone. There you go. You can see here some support. If we'll come back down here, make a W, that's your entry. Okay, because Manas is slightly suggesting I love Litecoin. What he wants is actually a request to watch to see Litecoin, and I'll do that. Okay, 1 week. There you go. As you can see, I don't hate it, Manas. I framed this one. I even trade the range. Look at it. Really nice, big fucking range. If you buy 120, you can expect a double here, maybe a triple. Actually, Menace, you have some experience, but there are people here that I have a bit more. Litecoin pumping, it's a bad sign for us. And they'll tell you over and over again, Litecoin pumping is not good. Means something. But Litecoin actually here is not pumping. Litecoin is just ranging in this area. Yeah, you can see the high it's 135, the low it's $50, and it is playing the range game. It's buyable, it's investable, yes. But what I told you, Manas, was not to don't buy Litecoin. Don't put too much on Litecoin. I saw people putting a lot of money on Litecoin last cycle, and they got outperformed by everything. And I literally mean everything. So don't be that guy. Make a plan. Select some coins. You want to buy Litecoin? Okay, 2-4% max from your portfolio. 4 it's huge, but you get the idea. If you'll perform, okay. If you'll underperform, you'll make some money, but a little bit less. Okay. But don't put too much on Litecoin. Could this time be different for Litecoin? If someone will start talking about Litecoin, if someone will start developing Litecoin again, reactivating the community, then yes, Litecoin could go do really nice things. 1,000 will be easy peasy for Litecoin. But has to happen. Yeah. So I'm not saying Litecoin is bad. I'm saying it's in a range. I'll touch Litecoin here. No. I learned my lesson. So, let's look at the chat. People, if you want to help us out a little bit, you can repost that tweet. We have a tweet here. And the best way you can help us is with reposting this one. That will make it visible for more people. Let's put it in the chat. 1 second. That's the tweet. If you want to help us a little bit, that's the way you do it. Let's wait for the Monday high, Monday low. Okay? Let's wait for that. I see a range here. This high and this low. We can go sideways for some time. Yes. As long as we go sideways, altcoins will start outperforming. Yes. There are still money to be made this week. I'll say yes. And I'll trade with the same indicator. Holy grail. But because I'm speaking more than 1 hour here in the live stream, even when I'm in a vacation, so it's not something to brag about, people, or to say something. That's consistency. Learn it. Because as a trader, as an investor, you'll need it. That's fucking consistency. I could do whatever I want. But I prefer to come here to do my plan, to do my weekly crypto review. Yeah, that's consistency. If you want to succeed at anything, fucking thing in life, you need consistency. The sooner you learn that, the better for you. And not only with relation with money, with everything. If you are consistent, you have, I don't know, you succeeded 50% already. Okay? Yeah. DCR starts the bull, Litecoin ends. Well, that was the thing last time. Let's see if it will be the same. Okay, people. I'll call it a live stream. I'll do the New York session for the premium people. Yeah? Hopefully the internet will not be a problem. It's working nice. I have the speed, I have the download, I have the upload, but from time to time, for 1 fucking second, it's breaking down, and that is bad for a live stream. That's the only problem. It's bad for live stream. It will take from I don't know, 30 seconds to 2 minutes until it will come back online. So it's hard to do live streams. I'll still do the live stream this week. I'll try to keep them shorter, 20 minutes, 30 minutes max. Let's enjoy this week. Let's make a lot of money. And then at the end of this week, I could say, well, I was in my vacation and I made a lot of money. No? That's something, Stefan, I could brag about. Stefan, you allow me to brag about how much money I made in my vacation? I hope Stefan is still here. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you guys in the New York session or tomorrow, the daily crypto plan. People, why I made the daily crypto plan only for premium VIP members? Because nobody from general was paying attention. I'll try it again this week to put it for general members also. If I see the same lack of interest, sorry, I'll put it back on premium. So 40 people from 1,700 watched from the general members. 5 or 10 of them reposted the tweet, liked the video. Come on, you can do better than that. Okay. Okay, people, see you next time. Let's call it a live stream. See you in New York or tomorrow, the daily crypto plan. Bye-bye.